Hi friends, recently we have started using Hafel Aqua 12S dishwasher. So I'm going to show you how to use it. Three things which are required for dishwasher are detergent or capsules. I'm using detergents here. So salt and then the rinsed. The last. Still things for a dishwasher which has to be used without fail. Salt and rinsed should be filled once these lights are on. I'll show you those lights. 1 second. This one is for the salt. The upper one is for the rinsed. So once these lights are on, you have to fill them. Normally, once it is filled, it takes 1 month. But it can be like finished before that. So you have to check these lights. The detergent should be like actually filled up for every wash. So this section is for your detergent. Yeah, here the bigger section, there you have to fill the detergent, and the smaller one there if you are using the capsules. So the detergent, one spoon actually is used for the complete load. If half load, then half spoon. The section beside it is for the rinsed. It is actually full now, so I'm not showing you again. This is the section where you have to fill the salt and you have to fill it once in a month, as I told you. This is the filter. So the filter collects the leftover food particles, if any, in your utensils, and this filter has to be cleaned once in a week at least. So these are the utensils which I am going to load now. Okay, I have removed the food leftovers and keep them wet once used. So I have loaded the first rack, actually the upper rack first. The smaller ones like the cups, the coffee mugs, bowls should be loaded in the upper one. So the smaller plates can also be loaded in the upper rack. The bigger utensils and the bigger plates should go to the lower tray. So all the utensils should face towards downwards. Okay, so that it would be cleaned properly. Now your dishwasher is loaded. You have to check the sprayer is moving freely. I'm adding the detergent here, 1 spoon. And now I will close this. This is the power button. I'll switch on this, and now this is the half load button. If one of the rack is not loaded, then you can on this. Okay, and then here the most this is the button where you can change the which option you are going to use. Okay, I forgot to show you this. Actually, this is the basket which is coming with the machine. In this you can load the cutleries. So there was no space for the cutleries. So in this cycle I have not loaded them. I'll load them in the next cycle. These are the different options, okay, which can be used for like washing. You can find the details in the user manual for that. So if you will press these two together, it will lock. This is for the child lock, okay, and this is the start and pause button. So you can delay the wash also if you want. So these all details you can find in the manual properly. So this one is for the 90 minutes wash. Actually, if you are not cleaning any heavily soiled utensils like cups, mugs, or some glasses, then you can use this. This is quick and it will clean in 90 minutes. So normally what we used is the eco option. So this option takes little time, so around 180 minutes. but it cleans properly all the soiled and all the heavily soiled utensils, and it consumes less water and electricity also. So this is the economical options, hence this is the mostly used option by the users. Now I don't have this rinsed and salt fill up alarm on, and I have loaded my detergent also. So what I'll go, I have already selected the eco option. What I'll go, I'll just go and press start. Okay, so as the sound indicates, the machine has started now. So I'll show you the now the wash cycle is completed. I'm going to open it and show you how they are cleaned. So let's check the cups first. Yes, they are cleaned. Okay, this one also, the strainer also, see, it's completely cleaned and nothing else is there. So we'll check the lower rack now. Yeah, so this one is cleaned properly. Okay, and then this one also. This. These are also cleaned. Lastly, this bigger one. This is also cleaned. Yeah, so hope this video helped you in deciding whether you will be going for a dishwasher or not. If you like the video, then please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.